Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. One of probably my favorite dish ever. Linguine with cherry tomato sauce and whipped ricotta. Nice, easy, simple, fast, but super tasty. If you can please like, subscribe, and if you like, share the comments. Share the videos with friends and family. Facciamo! First thing for this recipe, nice and easy, very fast. We need a little bit of garlic, roughly chopped. So we need a nice pot, not too big but quite tall. Nice amount of olive oil. Then from cold, we're gonna add all the garlic, bit of basil. You know, when I cook, basil is one of the main ingredients for me. Low to medium heat, we just wanna bring all the flavor in the oil, and then we're gonna go in with whole cherry tomatoes. We are not going to chop them, it's fast. So at this stage, you can see they are frying, but not too heavy. And what we are getting from this step, extract the flavor from the garlic and from the basil. After about 45 to a minute, we can go in straight with the tomato, like that, boom. No water, no liquids. The tomato juice will be our liquids. But to help extract the juice from it, we're gonna go with the salt right now. Beautiful. Straight away, we can go with a lovely sprinkle of sugar. So in the meanwhile, we are going to prep our lovely topping. We need a little bit of ricotta, roughly about 100 grams. Black pepper. Don't be shy on the black pepper, trust me, it works so nice with the ricotta. Just a touch of salt, a nice dash of extra virgin olive oil. And if you are a basil lover like me, just a touch of basil inside, it won't hurt anyone. And now it's time to mix. Once that's ready, park that on a side, and it's time for us to focus on our sauce. Here we go. At this stage, as you can see, the tomatoes are almost break down. To speed up the process, we're gonna put a lid on, cook for 10 minutes exactly. While the lid is on, because it's creating loads of steam, we can go a bit higher with the temperature. That will speed up the process even more. Va bella dura. So we are halfway through the cooking time, and look already our lovely tomato. They are breaking down. Bucchinaie dall'ava. As you can see, all the tomatoes are completely cooked, and there are still 2 more minutes to go. Right, so basically, while it's still cooking, I'll blitz everything into the pot. Right, before blitzing, remember to low down the temperature, it's very important. Right, you have got 2 options at this stage. The first one, you can leave it like that. It's very chunky, plenty of seeds and everything. People love it. Personally, for me, I always pass my sauce. For now, we can turn off the heat. There you go. Make sure when you reach at this stage to keep pressing, because it's here where we're gonna get most of the flavor. Don't be lazy, eh? I'm watching you. It's literally just the skins. And when you reach that, keep pressing. Clear the sieve and go again. There we go. Once we have got this lovely cream, put it back in the pan. And that is where the really, like, the key of the recipe happens. Because now it's already tasty, seasoned and everything. But if you really want to get that lovely tomato flavor out of the tomato, you really need to cook them a lot.
Especially crappy British tomatoes.
Exactly. Okay, so now go ahead and cook the pasta, and the whole time that the pasta is cooking, we're gonna reduce down this lovely sauce. With salt. Boo. Look how lovely it's getting, nice and creamy naturally. There's no cream in that, you saw the recipe. After about 8 to 9 minutes, transfer the pasta into our small pot. The pasta is pretty much fully cooked, so don't worry to put too much water into the sauce. Just a touch of water to combine the pasta and the sauce together. Look, it's perfection. It's the right time to add a drizzle of olive oil, a touch of black pepper, my camera woman is already dribbling. As always with any pasta dish, noise check. E un noise check ci sta. You see, that's the purpose of the ricotta. You see how you can mix with the pasta? Buon appetito, my friend.
Oh, good.
Wow, my camera woman is like, you like the pasta?
I'd like to taste the pasta.
You like the pasta? It's mine. Scheiße. Si proprio una porco. Apparently my wife wanna eat the pasta, so I need to leave the pasta. In this case, I leave you. See you soon in the next recipe, and maybe we start the diet today. Ciao, my friend.